I'm Stacy, and this is Tom.
Hey guys!
We're with RVTexasyall.com, and today we thought we'd try something a little bit different. We've never done a behind-the-scenes kind of video, so we thought it might be fun to bring you along. We're on our way up to Fort Worth for a very short trip up and back, but we are in the motorhome, and so we thought we'd bring you along for the ride, so stay tuned. Why we're traveling to Fort Worth today is we're going to be meeting with Regency RV, and they're a Class B motorhome manufacturer in Fort Worth, and they've invited us up to take a tour, see what they're manufacturing, and share that with you. And that'll be a separate video, so watch for that. But we thought that'd be a great starting point for a series that we're going to do called Made in Texas. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to visit RV manufacturers or companies that manufacture things that are good for the RV industry, RV accessories and things like that, that are made here in the Lone Star State. So, if you know of any that you think should be included, make sure to drop us a comment so we can reach out to them and see if we can, you know, go for a visit, make a video of them, share it with the world, and, you know, spread some of that Texas pride around. So in this video, like we said, this is a behind the scenes, and you don't get much more behind the scenes than seeing how Star really likes to travel. There she is. She's pretty laid back and relaxed on the road. Lilo's actually under my chair. That's where she likes to be most of the time. So anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the trip.
Rosebud.
That's where my grandma's from. Holy cow.
That's a solar farm.
Yeah, it is. Break time.
Break time. Had to fix our latch right here because going down the road it was flapping on me, so we stopped here at the rest area and got it fixed. Look, it's this latch right here. It just became unattached. Good to go. Now let's stretch our legs.
Yes, let's. Star's ready. a little playground for the kids.
Yeah, these
Covered
are
picnic
relatively
tables.
These are relatively new here in Texas. They built several of them all around Texas, and it's really nice to have all the parking for the RVs and the truckers and stuff.
Yeah.
And I do believe there's a 24-hour rule, so you can actually, if you get tired, you can sleep overnight here. So that's nice.
And they say this is a secure rest stop. So we're gonna head back out, I guess. Man, the wind is vicious, so you gotta be extra cautious when you're driving in an RV in these winds.
Yeah, we've slowed it down.
Yeah, we're going slower.
All right, here we are.
Regency RV.
Regency RV. We're coming in.
Place looks nice.
Yeah, it does. propane back on. Okay, we're here.
Woo!
Hey, we're hooked up. We're gonna let the slides out.
We're running on a trickle charge. Is there a bird? Good morning, y'all. It is morning. We're at Regency RV, about to go meet with them and see what time we're gonna take the tour. Tom's doing a little filming out here in the lot, getting a few of their motorhomes.
Morning, guys.
Yeah, this was they were nice enough to let us park the RV here in their gated lot overnight. And so a little chilly this morning, but it's a beautiful day. And we appreciate them hosting us for the night. And let's go in and see what we got. We're inside the Regency RV factory right now.
That's incredible. That is really neat. Just left Regency and we decided we wanted to grab a quick lunch. We're only about, oh gosh, a mile and a half from a Cracker Barrel. Look at this great parking they've got for us. Actually for bus and RV, so it's going to be easy.
1, 2, 3, 4. They have 5 spaces back here.
So thank you, Cracker Barrel. We're going to go in and have a little lunch.
So at this rest stop today, yesterday we were at the one on the other side. I think we showed you the windmill. As crazy as the wind was blowing, the windmill wasn't moving, but today is. And check this out, this is pretty cool. So you got the windmill up there, you got a water tank right here, and look at this. Actually pumping water.
Well guys, this is where we're going to have to end this one. I hope you enjoyed our journey to Fort Worth and back. We're on our way back to Houston and we're at a rest stop here. Actually, we're on the at the same rest stop, well, not the same rest stop, but on the other side of the road from the one we stopped at earlier.
Yeah, near Abbott, but now going southbound on 35.
Going southbound, and we wanted to go ahead and end this now because it's probably going to be a little dark by the time we get in. And we had a wonderful trip to Fort Worth as far as meeting the people at Regency RV, and
really nice folks.
Yeah, and it was a fun experience, and hopefully you enjoyed that video as well.
Yeah, watch for that. That'll be coming.
Yep. So,
and yeah, but thanks for joining us. This is something a little different, so you know, we'll see how it turns out. Let us know if you like it, and if you do, then we'll try to do some more kind of behind the scenes-ish stuff,
yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
And otherwise, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We'd love to have you join us.
Yeah, hit like on there.
And if you have folks that you know might be interested, share it with them. And you know, you can find us on rvtexasyall.com all the time. So until next time, y'all, thanks for joining us.
Safe travels.
And happy camping.
Bye, y'all.